Pull-ups aren't the only way to build a strong back. In fact, Navy SEALs rarely rely on them. Here's the problem. Most people think you need a pull-up bar to get strong, so they skip training their back completely. That's a mistake. By the end of this video, you'll know 3 exercises that build real pulling strength using nothing but your own body weight. These moves come straight from military training. They build grip, back, and core strength all at once. And they work for beginners and advanced lifters alike. No more excuses. Let's start with exercise number 1, the active dead hang. Let's start simple. This one looks easy. Trust me, it's not. Find something sturdy to hang from. A pull-up bar works. A sturdy beam works. Even a strong tree branch will do the job. Now reach up and grab it with both hands. Let your feet come off the ground. Simple, right? Here's where most people get it wrong. Most people just hang there like dead weight. Shoulders shrugged up to their ears. Body completely loose. That's not what we want. Instead, pull your shoulder blades down and back. Imagine you're trying to tuck them into your back pockets. Feel that? Your back muscles just switched on. This is called an active hang, and it's a core part of Navy SEAL training. Here's why it matters. Before a SEAL can pull his body up a rope, over a wall, or across monkey bars, he first has to control his body while just hanging still. That control comes from grip strength and shoulder stability. 2 things most people never train. Think about it. Your grip is often the weakest link. If your hands give out, nothing else matters. This move fixes that. Keep your core tight too. Don't let your legs swing. Your whole body should feel switched on, not floppy. Breathe steady. Don't hold your breath. In through the nose, out through the mouth. And don't rush the setup either. Take a second to find your grip. Wrap your thumbs around the bar for extra security. A weak grip at the start ruins the whole hang. So get comfortable before you commit. Hold this active hang for 20 to 30 seconds. That's 1 round. Rest for a moment. Then repeat for 3 total rounds. If you're a beginner, even 10 seconds is a great start. Strength builds fast with this one. Feel that burn in your forearms and upper back? That's real strength being built. Not flashy, not fast, but real. This single exercise lays the foundation for everything else we're doing today. Without a strong grip and stable shoulders, the next 2 moves won't work as well. So don't skip this one. Master it first. Give it your full focus, even if it feels boring compared to flashy exercises. Boring builds strength that lasts. Now that your grip and shoulders are fired up, let's move to exercise number 2, the table row. Alright, your grip is warmed up, your shoulders are switched on. Now let's build real pulling power. For this one, grab a sturdy table. Not a wobbly one, something solid that won't tip or slide. Lie down underneath it. Reach up and grab the edge with both hands, palms facing you. Your body should be in a straight line from head to heels, like a plank. Now here's the move. Pull your chest up toward the table edge. Squeeze your back muscles hard at the top. Then lower back down, slow and controlled. This is called the table row, and it mimics one of the most functional pulling patterns SEALs train for. Here's why it matters. In the field, SEALs often need to pull their own body weight up and over things. Ledges, walls, boats. This horizontal pulling motion builds that exact strength. It's not just about looking strong, it's about being able to move your body when it counts. Keep a few things in mind. Don't let your hips sag toward the floor. Keep that straight line locked the whole time. Your core should feel just as engaged as your back. Also, control the lowering part. Anyone can yank themselves up fast. The real strength comes from lowering slow. Count 2 seconds on the way down. That's where the muscle building magic happens. If it feels too easy, walk your feet further out. This shifts more of your body weight onto your arms and back, making it harder. If it feels too hard, bend your knees and keep your feet close. That takes some weight off. Aim for 10 to 12 reps. Rest for 30 seconds. Then do 3 total rounds. Feel your upper back and biceps working? That's the exact pulling strength pull-ups build. Except now, you're building it without a bar. This move is a game changer for anyone without gym access. All you need is a table and gravity. Once you've got this one down, we move to the final exercise, and this one's going to challenge you in a whole new way. Let's go to exercise number 3, the archer row. Alright, this last one is the toughest, but it's also the most rewarding. The archer row takes everything you just built, grip, shoulder control, pulling power, and pushes it even further. Get back under your table, same setup as before. Grab the edge with both hands, palms facing you, body straight like a plank. But this time, instead of pulling up evenly with both arms, you're going to shift the work to one side. Pull up mostly with your right arm. Let your left arm stay mostly straight, just barely touching the table edge for balance. Your right elbow drives back and down, like you're drawing a bow and arrow. That's why it's called the archer row. Lower back down slow, then switch sides. Pull mostly with your left arm this time. Here's why this move matters so much. Real strength isn't always balanced. In the field, SEALs often pull, climb, or drag with one arm doing more work than the other. Think about pulling yourself over a wall while holding gear in one hand, or climbing with an injury on one side. The archer row trains your body for that kind of unbalanced, real-world strength. It also exposes weaknesses. Most people have one arm stronger than the other. This move finds that imbalance and fixes it. A few tips to keep good form. Keep your core braced the entire time. Don't let your hips twist or sag. Move slow and controlled, especially on the way down. If this feels too difficult at first, that's completely normal. Start by shifting just slightly to one side. You don't need a full one-arm pull right away. Progress happens over time. Aim for 6 to 8 reps per side. Rest for 30 to 40 seconds. Then repeat for 3 total rounds. Feel that? One arm working harder than the other. That's exactly the kind of strength imbalance most people never train. Now you are, and there you have it. 3 exercises, 0 pull-up bars. All inspired by how SEALs actually train their pulling strength. If you felt that burn today, you already know this works. Keep coming back to these 3 moves, and your back, grip, and pulling strength will grow stronger every single week. So there you have it, 3 simple moves, 0 pull-up bars, all straight from how Navy SEALs actually train pulling strength. Let's recap quick. The active dead hang builds your grip and shoulder control. The table row builds real horizontal pulling power, and the archer row fixes imbalances and builds one-arm strength most people never train. Together, these 3 exercises hit your back, grip, and core from every angle. No bar needed, no excuses left. Here's what I want you to do. Train this routine 3 times a week. Give your body a day to rest in between. That's enough to build real, noticeable strength within just a few weeks. Stick with it. Your grip will get stronger, your back will get thicker, and one day you might even go back to that pull-up bar and knock out reps you never thought possible. Strength isn't built in one day. It's built one hang, one row, one rep at a time. So which exercise challenged you the most? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. See you in the next video.